Hello and welcome back to Get Healthy Now Mastery. So glad you're joining me today, and I am so glad to be here with you. Oh yes, I am. You all, we are actually going to be. We're going to do a do. We're going back to do over because it's so important that we understand that this is a faith walk. Everything we do is a faith walk. Everything. And here's my theory right now. I don't know if you want to hear my theory or not, but look, you're gonna hear it. My theory is if I take my faith and connect it to your faith, and you take your faith and connect it to the next person's faith, and it goes on and it goes on and it goes on. Guess what? We reach around the world, and together we create a great implosion that will create a great explosion. How about that? An explosion in the health and wealth of this world. I'm so excited to be here with you in my laboratory. This is my laboratory. Yes, it is. And we have got a popular juice back with us called Sunshine in a Bottle. But this time we're adding something different to the Sunshine in a Bottle. So let me say this. Thank you to all of my subscribers. I have to tell you thank you because I am grateful. I am grateful to have you on this journey with me. Yes, I am. And thank you so much to the newcomers. And I just want to give a shout out to Get Healthy Now Mastery channel members. I just want to shout out. I just want to shout their names out. I'm so grateful to have them, as channel members. And they are called Juice Masters. Yes, they are called Juice Masters. Shout out to Queen's Alchemy. Shout out to Lala, High Vibe Coach. Shout out to Purple Sky, Pauline. Shout out to Cheryl McNeil, to Albertia. Shout out to I Cherish Church. Y'all need to check them out. Check them out. Shout out to Melody Sanders, to Glenda Carruthers. Shout out to Dorothy Robinson. Oh my goodness. Shout out to Motivated to Soar. Shout out to Angie's Faith. That's another faith person. See, we are connected. Shout out to T Groove, which is truly. Shout out to Timmy Twisted Zones. Y'all, this is so powerful. And I am so grateful for them to be a part of this. And I am just so delighted that they are a part of this. Absolutely. And I am a part of them. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, and yes. So we're going to actually get this party started. If you're here and you like the live here on Get Healthy Now Mastery, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join us over here in this laboratory. Absolutely. As we continue to make this sunshine in a bottle with a new perk, jalapeno pepper, and ginger. Absolutely. We got it going on over here. So we're going to get this party started. Yes, we are. Now, I just had you on. So we have one cantaloupe, one pineapple. We have 4 oranges, and we have 2 grapefruit. Yes, and we are going to stick that in there with that. And this ginger, we have about 6 inches of ginger that we have with us. And this is going to be a powerhouse juice, you guys, a powerhouse juice. And as this is turning, I am going to actually tell you some of the benefits of the fruits. When I first started this in October, I gave you all the benefits, and then I kind of got away from it. And I think we all need to know the benefits of the foods that we are eating. I think it's so important. So I got some notes here. So the cantaloupe, we all love cantaloupe, y'all. We all love it. Yes, we do. And the cantaloupe supports eye health. It's rich in beta carotene, lutein, and xanthan gum. I'm going to say xanthan gum. Zeaxanthin. It boosts your immunity. It's high in vitamin C. Oh my goodness. And it stimulates the white blood cells. Cantaloupe is pretty powerful, you guys. I wanted to turn this around so you all could see this juice coming out. I know a lot of you like to see the juice coming out. Cantaloupe promotes healthy skin and healthy hair. It lowers blood pressure, and it also aids in digestion. See the powerful benefits of the cantaloupe. The pineapple, on the other hand, the pineapple come packed with lots of vitamin C. It aids in digestion. Pineapple is good for heart health. It's good for to reduce inflammation. We're gonna stick some cantaloupe up in there now. Okay. It reduces inflammation. It supports bone strength. It reduces the risk of chronic disease, and it's very high in nutrients. Yes, that's the story of the pineapple. Now let's look at this wonderful, powerful thing we call orange. The orange and the grapefruit. Let me get this. Yes. Because we added grapefruit in there with it. So the orange supports the immunity function. It promotes glowing skin because it has collagen production in it. It aids in healthy digestion. It aids in heart health. This is the orange. The orange is good for good hydration. Ah! Yes, it is. I'm so glad I looked down at that. Oh, yeah. So these some powerhouse fruits that we are juicing up here together. Oh, yeah. So now we're throwing in this wonderful cantaloupe. The ginger, on the other hand, supports heart health. It reduces inflammation. It boosts your immunity. Yes, it does. And we're going to talk about the grapefruit in a minute. Let me see if I can get all of this in here. Oh, yeah. Y'all, that jalapeno pepper smells good. It smells real good. Yes, it does. All righty, so let's see. Get that back to going. Yeah, so the grapefruit, you guys, the grapefruit aids in weight loss by actually keeping you full. And also, it's good for your skin health. Grapefruit is good for heart health. And I wanted to let you know, consult with your physician if you're going to do grapefruit and you're on medication. because we don't want it to interact with your medication. So please consult with your primary care physician, whoever gave you the prescription for medication. On that note, let me tell you, I am not a doctor. I do not work in the medical field. So please consult your medical professionals when making lifestyle changes. I am out here, I'm just out here on these YouTube streets, having fun and sharing my journey. That is all I am doing. That is it. So I just wanted you to know that, and I am so excited about, I'm excited about my juicing. Yes, I am. I hope you get excited about making the lifestyle changes in your life, because I know it will help you. Yes, it will. And I'm looking at that going around and round. I may need to, I think it's going on down. Well, that didn't. I think it kind of hung up there. Okay. Should have had my spatula, but I didn't. Oh yeah, and I am using the Nama J2 juicer. I am using the Nama J2 juicer. I love it. I've been had it for about 6 years now, and it is awesome. And if I was to recommend a juicer, I would recommend this. However, if you, at this time, if this is not a priority, but you want a juicer, you can always go, there's a Cantaloupe juicer. My sister uses it, and she loves it. So, yeah, you can check it out. You can go through, I am affiliate with Amazon, and you can go through my my channel page and check out the Cantaloupe, I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right, juicer. But look at this, you guys. Look at here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And it smells wonderful. It smells wonderful. We're going to jar this up, and we're going to taste this. Oh my goodness. Oh, and I am still drinking my okra water. I drink okra water from the time I get up to the time I go to bed. And this okra came out of my garden. Yes, it did. All righty. So I hope that I have inspired you to maybe to try this juice. Sunshine in a bottle. Oh yeah. With a twist. With a twist. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to taste it. I can't wait to taste it. Oh yeah. Look at that. I smell that jalapeno too. Yes, I do. Oh my goodness. So you all, let me know if you plan to try this juice. Because I'm telling you, I already know. It's a powerhouse of a juice. I already know. Yes, it is. And I am going to bring back Dr. Norman, I was getting ready to say Dr. Norman Vincent Peale. Dr. Norman Walker. Yes, because he suggests that we juice in order so that we can get so the nutrients, the minerals, and the vitamins, when we drink it, it goes straight into the bloodstream, goes straight into your cells. Yes. So look at what I got out of this. And what did I tell y'all? It was 1 cantaloupe, 1 pineapple. Did I say, what did I say? 4 oranges. I got it wrote down somewhere. 4 oranges and 2 grapefruits or something. But anyway, I'll put it in the description in the on the video. There you have it, you guys. I have 5 16 ounces. Absolutely, they came out of there. Let's taste this. Let's taste it. Cheers, cheers. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is really awesome. Really, really awesome, you guys. You gotta try it. You gotta try it. Yes, you do. Woo. I know y'all hear me swallowing this, but it is delicious. And again, this is sunshine in a bottle. If you want your life to glow up from the inside out, try this sunshine in a bottle. Try it. Yes, you will love it. Again, thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you to my channel members. Thank you to the newcomers. Thank you so much. Look, our goal is to reach 5,000 subscribers. I need your help. Will you help me to reach 5,000 subscribers? Share this information with your family and your friends, your co-workers, your doctors, your lawyers, whoever you associate with. Share this out with your friends. Yes, and I appreciate this. And I want you to stay tuned until for the next juice that's coming out. Yes, it is. You will see me juicing more and more and more as we go forward. Yes, you will, because that's who I am. That's who I am. Again, join me Tuesdays and Thursday mornings, 6 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a chair exercise. Those of you who are not as mobile as others, I did not want to leave you out. So this is why I'm doing the chair exercises on Tuesdays and Thursday mornings at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Join me and share this with your friends who are not as mobile as you are. And join me on my faith walk. Every day on my faith walk, I call it my faith walk. I walk by faith and not by sight. So I want you to join me on my faith walk as we move forward. You guys, we got to keep it moving. We got to keep it moving because the bodies are created to heal itself. And I am done. I am done talking. Yes, I am, because I can talk. As most of you already know, I can talk. So again, cheers. Cheers, cheers. So glad you're here. Yes. And until the next video, peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and broccoli.